Hey guys, I want to make a video about this Maytag washing machine. Thought it might help somebody out. Bought this about a year and a half ago, almost 2 years, from a local home center. It's been a good washing machine so far. We haven't any problems with it until now. But a couple nights ago, the wife was going to do some laundry and she fired it up and it was making all kinds of a racket. When I came inside, she's like, "Boy, the washing machine, something wrong with it." Okay, great. So we dug out all the paperwork and we still had a little bit of a warranty left on it through the home center. And so I said, before we, go down that path and wait on a technician and all that stuff, let's just drag it out, unhook it, drag it out, and see, take a look. Maybe it's something simple. Well, in between those two times, she had found some like appliance places, help center things on YouTube, and the guys had recommended that you look at on the bottom. There's, of course, you got the motor, you got a gearbox. Each one has a pulley on it, and then you got a belt in between, like a stretch belt in between. And he said that there might be the nut that holds the plastic pulley on the bottom. The gearbox might have fallen off or be loose. So I thought, well, that's easy to fix. So we drug it out, flipped it over, and lo and behold, this guard was hanging by. It has two screws holding it on, two sheet metal screws, holding it on to the bottom. Fairly heavy. I mean, it's a stout piece of plastic to protect, I guess, to keep whatever. I'll get to that in a second. Anyway, it was hanging down and rubbing on the big pulley that goes on the gearbox. The pulley has like reinforced plat. You can tell when they molded it, they put ribs on it so it would strengthen the pulley. And it had been chattering away at this guard because it was hanging on by one screw. And it also had done some just rubbing in here. There was another spot somewhere else on it. Yeah, I think on the end there. So thought maybe this might help somebody if your washing machine just made a hell of a racket. It really was. It was loud in here. And I guess there's also in behind that big pulley that's on the gearbox, there's a clutch called a splutch that I guess can go bad. And it's made out of plastic, and that's the next thing if this didn't take care of it, that's where I was going to go next. So anyway, hope it helps. It's back to running quiet now. So thanks for watching.